Out of the Michael Jackson trial, as we've been reporting, the defense rested on Wednesday, and the case is expected to go to the jury next week. So the defense rested. It called 50 witnesses in 15 days, finishing up with comedian Chris Tucker, who basically claimed that he was nervous about this family, that he referred to the boy in his wheedling, cunning ways. A big success for the defense?
He gave the defense exactly what they needed. There have been some witnesses who come forward who we thought were going to provide the defense with more. Chris Tucker gave them exactly what they needed, which is that he knew this boy, the accuser. He knew the mother. And you know what? He didn't trust them from day one. And he's not just talking about the mother, because there have been a lot of witnesses who come forward and said, this mother, all she wanted was money, she was trouble. This is a witness who's coming forward and saying, even the boy himself was cunning. Even the boy himself was always asking for money. And that's the theory of the defense here.
Overall, assess the case put forth by Tom Mazzarone's team.
I think it was a good case. The defense presented, I think, a pretty strong case. In many of these cases, we don't see any defense at all. We see a couple of witnesses come forward. Here you had witnesses who said, this accuser, this mother, cannot be trusted. And remember, that's the heart of the case. The heart of this case is, do you believe the boy who's making these accusations? Do you believe his brother, who says that he saw molestation? And do you believe this mother, that they were all confined at the Neverland home? I think for the prosecutors, the key is looking at the big picture, saying, there's a pattern here. This is not just about this boy. It's not just about this family. This is the M.O. for Michael Jackson, and this is just one in a series of events.
And in fact, another boy came forward, right, which could be the most damaging witness of all.
And I think there have been a number of other cases, and the prosecution wants to put that into perspective. The defense, on the other hand, wants this jury to just look at this family. Look at the mother. She can't be trusted.
Finally, acquittal or conviction? What do you think?
There's no question that it's more likely there'll be an acquittal than a conviction. Could be a hung jury, could be some sort of compromise, but if you're the prosecutor, I think you've got to be nervous.